jealous, aren't they, those sheepdogs?
Mm.
They're not, haven't got control of the dogs like a lot of shepherds have
No.
seen. They're just letting them go all over the place. Now this is the second time they've got them here.
Mm.
And then they seem to have oh, you see all those swifts going over there?
Mm.
Now let's see, this is the crucial bit. They can either get them here and then go, or they disband and go back again on the field. Here we go. See, they should get the dogs behind them. Here we go, you see, they're not very good at it, this lot. Oh, they're getting them. Yeah.
They're not controlling the dogs though, are they?
No, you see this one hard, you see that one was really good. Did you see him come up to the sheep before?
Mm.
One sheep. They're just jumping up and down and waving their arms. They're like comedy cuts, aren't they?
Mm.
But when you think of those we've seen at Cheshire,
Yeah.